Hey everybody, so today's vlog is just an update. I just got home from my work dinner. I took my employees out to have a nice dinner because they've worked so hard all year long and definitely wanted to treat them out. Today is also the last day that I have anything to do after work. I don't need to work any overtime hours. I don't have any more projects at work that I need to focus on. I don't have dance classes. Like, I have nothing. I'm making sure that I have nothing so that I could just come home straight from work and just relax. I am definitely ready for a vacation. And I know I just traveled up to NorCal, but that was half work or 70% work too, so that didn't feel like a vacation to me. I definitely need a vacation and just relax and chill. I'm actually going to be dog sitting this weekend, and that would be great because it's going to force me to stay home and not do anything. So I'm just going to be home. I'll do some recording. You'll see my dogs. It'll be a lot of fun. So yeah, pretty much it for the day. I had a really long day. I feel really tired if you can't tell from my voice. Yeah, I'm just so ready to relax and chill and do nothing. And that is crazy for me because I always do something, but I'm ready to do absolutely nothing. So that's my Christmas tree, my dangling decorations that I made, which I did a DIY video on, that I uploaded a couple of vlogs ago. This is Tootsie, my EDC owl that I got. Yeah, super cute. Anyways, again, super quick vlog today because I am tired. So after this, I'm just gonna shower, upload this to YouTube. That way I made my goal for the night, and I'm just gonna lay in bed and just chill, maybe read, watch some videos, fall asleep, and yeah. So good night everyone, take care of yourselves, happy holidays, enjoy life. We work so hard, why not enjoy life? So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.